How to share Instagram story to WhatsApp status. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to create a story. You just have to click on this story right here and then click on camera. Now, you can also go to your camera roll if you have something that you want to share on your story. Let's say I just want to take a picture right here. And then I'm gonna add a text. Let's say hi right here. Now, I just have to share my story on Instagram. Now, once that's shared, all I have to do is to click on the story and click on these three dots right here, the more. Now, just have to click on the share button right here. And as you can see, there is a WhatsApp option on the share button. Once you click on the WhatsApp option, it will automatically be shared as a link to your WhatsApp status, and you can just send it right away. So that's how to share Instagram story to WhatsApp status.